Okay, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Gift Ogbes Kishi. Yeah, welcome back again. We are going to be looking at another video today. I'm going to be suspending our mind today. So today's video is going to be guesting. So let me see all our mothers in the house, all our baking mothers in the house. So let them guess what I'm going to be doing with all these things that we are seeing now. All these that we are seeing now. So let them guess and tell us what we are going to be doing. So you are welcome back. If you are new to my YouTube channel, you are welcome. This is Gift Ogbes Kitchen. In today's video is all about guesting. So we are going to be guesting. Guess what I'm going to be doing with all this thing. Yeah, it's my farina, my egg, my sugar, my latte. In this place, I have nutmeg, salt, and baking powder. And here is my rolling wood, and this is margarina. As you all know, I'm going to be needing a knife. So this is my knife, guys. So we are going to be suspending our mind today. So you have to guess whatsoever I'm going to be doing with all this thing. Any type of baking that you know, just guess. Maybe you might be the luck and you might be the winner. You might be the lucky one. So the new friends on my YouTube channel, you are welcome. Gift Ogbes Kitchen. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and drop your comments at the comment section below. So we are going to be doing this together. Before I'll get back to us, guys. So we just have to be guessing. Guess anything of your choice, any kind of baking that you know that they are using these things to do. Just guess it, and I will get back to us on the comment section. I will get back to us, guys. So see you. Bye bye. I'm waiting for everybody's response. I'm waiting for your reply. I'm waiting for what you think I'm going to be doing with all these things. Bye.